sun in my morning bed.
This is guys the iPad Pro 10.5-inch version, and today I am going to unbox this iPad Pro 10.5-inch version, and will share my thoughts with you. And first of all, we can look around the box. So this is the box, and you can see the iPad and its default wallpaper, and here it is written the iPad Pro. And if we go to the back, it is written iPad Pro 10.5-inch Wi-Fi only version with 256 gigabyte of storage, and it is priced around 78,000 in India, and it is also available in Amazon for 65,000. And if we look at the box, it's just a simple box, and let's open it. It's pretty hard to open. Anyway, we will open it and see what's in it. What all new accessories with the new iPad. What is the new feature, and let me open it and then tell you the features. So as you can see, the iPad sits on the top. Yeah, here's the iPad Pro. So let me put this box on the side. So this is the Apple Pencil, which is capable of drawing sketches like the Samsung's S Pen, but it's more pressure sensitive and has more features than the S Pen. And that's the feature of this pencil, which will be reviewed in another video. And let's take the iPad out of here. And here's the iPad, and as you can see, here's a cutout for the camera bump. This is the same camera from iPhone 6. That is a 12 megapixel camera. No, iPhone 7, I think. It is a camera from iPhone 7. So the other things we get in this box are the lightning cable, the instruction manuals, and the power brick. Let's keep this box aside and look at the accessories. And this is the power brick, and it is a universal power brick, and you can connect another adapter to it, or you can connect an extension cord to it if you are in any other country or something. And this is the cable, lightning cable via USB, which should be plugged in this like this, and it can be charged. And let's check the amps and volts of this adapter. And as you can see, it has an input of 100 to 240 volts and 0.5 amps of charge, and output of 5.2 watts, 2.4 amps, and it is a 12-watt charger. It's a genuine Apple charger. And this is the instruction manual. It is a basic instruction manual, as you can see, very basic informations. And this is the iPad Pro regulatory and warranty informations, etc. And this is the Apple stickers, and this is the basic. This is just a basic startup guide, like something. So these are things, and let's keep that aside and look at the iPad. So this is the iPad Pro. I had booted it up early. It works as a fingerprint scanner or Touch ID, that's Apple calls it, and it's a smooth display, as you can see. And okay, if we look into here, it is an iOS 11, and I'll show you the iOS 11. As you can see, it is iOS 11.2, and let me check whether the update has come or not. Yeah, the update has come, and it need to be installed, so I'm going back. And if you see the iPad mini I had reviewed earlier, it is lot thicker than this, and as time passes by, the devices are getting thinner, and I will show you around this device. This is the volume rockers. This is the camera, 12 megapixel camera from iPhone 6 or 7. This is the True Tone flash. This is the power button. This is the speakers, two speakers here, and the headphone jack. And this side the dock for the keyboard, and two more speakers and the lightning port, and the touch ID, as it works well unlocked, and that's it. One more time, that's it. One more time. Oh, Siri has come in. Wait. That's it. It's very fast, you know. Yeah, that's very fast. Very fast Touch ID. Now Apple had removed the Touch ID from iPhone X. And this is the back of the device. This is a very large device. And that's it, guys, the unboxing and a quick review of this iPad Pro 10.5 inch. And this is the Apple Pencil, which you can buy the iPad Pro, which can be used for sketching and drawing. That I will show you later in the video. And please like, subscribe the video for more updates, and also to watch the review and unboxing of this pencil and this iPad. So thanks, guys. See you in the next video.
Morning, you're the sun of my morning, baby.